Hello guys, let me show you how we're going to draw the plan for our pottery in our sketchbooks. This is our clay slab constructed pottery project, and there's some tricks that I can show you for how to draw one of these forms, a rectangular prism, with the appearance of 3 dimensions so that it looks 3D even on a flat 2-dimensional surface. I'm going to use this. Now this this project works well for making these kinds of box forms, either rectangular or more square. You can also do triangular forms, like a triangular prism, and it is possible to do rounded forms. Okay, but I find that these are a lot take advantage of the process more than a rounded form. This would be probably best suited to coil construction, which we did last year. So if I'm making a box, and I'm going to start with showing you the plan for the form, and then I'll show you that how you can add drawings for decorations. So you start with, and if I'm thinking about more of a rectangular box, and let me show you, I have right here one that's finished from last year. It's been planned and made and fired and glazed and fired a second time. And so this is a more rectangular box, and let me show you how you would draw that. You start with the shape that would be in the front, so like a rectangle, and then you draw another rectangle here. The farther away that one is, the longer my box will be. That's the back of the box. So it's as if I'm looking at the box, get that angle, like this. Okay, so this is the front side, and the back is that side right there. So this, because it's farther away, is also slightly smaller. And now I can match up those corners. So you match up all the corners, front right corner to front right corner, and these corners as well. Now my box is not see-through, so I need to erase some of this. This is the front of my box, so I'm going to erase that line. This is the side of my box. Can't see through the side, so I'm going to erase that line as well. So erase those lines, and I can reinforce the outline of my shape. And you can even add, if you want to add some shadow to show that less light is able to get inside the box than it's hitting this outside. Okay, so there is the appearance of a box. Okay, you can follow that same step if you want to make a box that's more square. And you can do 2 squares, they can overlap. So this one is not as long. Corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner. Okay, so this is giving me more of like a cube form. And now I need to erase all 3 of those lines in this one, because this is my front side. Can't see through. And this is the side. And so now I have more of a square box. Okay, and again you can add shadow. Now, and if you want your box, if your box is like, here's one, this one hasn't been fired yet. If it's going to be shorter, then of course you would start with a shorter square. So you can also plan out the height for your box. A little bit long. Now once you've decided on your form, you're ready to start thinking about decoration. And there's a couple of ways you can do the decoration. You can just draw it on here, like maybe I want to do concentric circles on the front of this box. So I could show that here. Or if you want to think more if you want to think more about each side separately, you can draw the sides and plan your decoration. So this one had like a celestial theme, and I planned the sun, and I planned the back and each side. Okay, so it'd still make a box, but I was just planning how I would decorate each of those sides separately. Alright, so that should get you started on how to draw a rectangular prism as you are planning your coil constructed pottery.